Hi everybody, Doreen here. It's July, but it feels like Christmas in July because this morning I got this delivery from my friends at Southern Smoking and Barbecue, David Krim, and I know Les Canada had something to do with this too. So I'm going to unbox this now to see what goodies await me. I'm very excited. Try not to damage anything in here. Somebody did a great packing job. Okay. This is a great barbecue group that started recently and has a lot of members already. They're super friendly. They're a great group to be a part of. I try to sponsor a few things on there with my barbecue rubs. I can't say enough about the group. It's really like one big family, and I love being part of it. This is my bull grill. Margarita the bull. We love her.
We do.
It was fun when we drove home with her and everyone watched us with her in the back of the pickup. This thing is big and it is heavy. Super excited. Nice paper covering it. Looks like some good brisket kind of paper. Oh, gorgeous. This is an amazing cutting board. Let's get it out of this paper. I will not be beat. Oh, there's a card. Oh, look at this. Let me read this first and then I'll turn it around. Instructions on how to care for the board.
Lift it forward a little bit there. So we can see what it says on this side.
That's the beautiful front of the board. I can't tell you how heavy this thing is. It's got to be close to 10 pounds. On the back it says, Doreen, you are awesome. Thanks for all you do. Krim and the team, SS and BBQ.
Whoa.
I am so touched. This is just incredible. This is a homemade, handmade board. You can see, whoa, I almost lost it. You can see the tongue and groove connections. And this thing is heavy, heavy duty. Now let me see what this card is. Guys, thank you so much. This is just so special. Oh, yes. Got a rub sample, SS and BBQ, and it looks delicious. And I'll be using that this weekend for sure. And a thank you card. Just wanted to say you're appreciated as a sponsor for SS and BBQ, but most of all, you are an awesome person. The board is a small token of our appreciation. Thank you so much to a great group of guys, of people. I love this group. This is amazing. It really feels like Christmas. Thank you so much.